Our first example is 104 divided by 8. 104 is a big number, and the best way to divide into a big number is to use the multiplication method. The multiplication method starts out by taking an educated guess. That's right, an educated guess. We have to guess which number times 8 would give us 104. Whatever number multiplied by 8 gives us 104, that number is our answer to this division problem. So we're going to start by multiplying 8 by several numbers until we get 104 as our answer. So let's take an educated guess and try the number 9. So 9 is not the number because multiplying 8 by 9 only gives us 72. 72 is not the number we're looking for. We need to multiply 8 by a higher number. Let's try 12. 8 times 12. Let's see what we get. Eight times 12 is only 96, and 96 is not what we're looking for either. Therefore, we need to multiply by a number higher than 12. So let's try 13. Okay, 13 times 8 is 104. Because 8 times 13 gives us 104, that means that 13 is the number we're looking for. Okay, so 13 is our answer to this division problem. 13 times 8 is 104. Therefore, 104 divided by 8 equals 13. 8 goes into 104 13 times. Let's try another example. Our next example is 252 divided by 42. We have to take an educated guess to see what number times 42 would give us 252. Whatever number times 42 equals 252, that number is our answer to this division problem. Let's start by guessing with the number 8. If we were to multiply 42 by 8, let's see if it would give us 252 as an answer. (42 times 8 is 336. 336 is not the number we're looking for. That number is actually larger than 252, which means that 8 was too big of a number to multiply by 42 because it gave us an answer higher than the number we were looking for. So let's multiply 42 again by a smaller number, smaller than 8. I'm going to come down and try the number 4. 42 times 4. And 4 might work. (42 times 4 is 168. So using 4 was too small of a number. 8 was too large of a number. So the number we have to multiply 42 by is in between 8 and 4. We have to keep multiplying until we get an answer of 252. So let's try the number 6. If we multiply 42 by 6, let's see what we get. Maybe we'll get 252 as an answer. Okay, so 42 times 6 is 252. So 6 is the number we're looking for. Six is our answer. Multiplying 6 by 42 gave us 252. That means that 6 is the answer to this division problem. 252 divided by 42 equals 6. 42 goes into 252 6 times. Let's continue. Our next example is 162 divided by 18. Again, we're using the multiplication method. Let's see what number times 18 would give us 162 as an answer. Whatever number times 18 equals 162, that's the number that we're looking for, because that would be the answer to this division problem. Let's get started. If we were to multiply 18 by 3, 18 times 3 is only 54. So multiplying by 3 will not work. That number is too small. We need to multiply 18 by a higher number so that we can get a higher answer. Remember, the answer has to be 162 after we multiply. Let's try again. What if we were to multiply 18 by 8? Maybe that would give us 162 as an answer. $18 times 8 is 144. That answer is much closer to the number we're looking for. So I know we're getting close, but we're not there yet. The answer must be 162, not 144. So let's multiply 18 by 9. Let's try one number higher than 8. Let's see what we get if we multiply 18 by 9. $18 times 9 is 162. 162 is the answer we're looking for. That means that 9 is the answer to this division problem, because multiplying 18 by 9 give us 162. So 162 divided by 18 equals 9. 18 goes into 162 9 times. And that is how you use the multiplication method to solve division problems. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.